Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately. Scanner does not pull the paper, it jams the paper, it goes into error when it can't get the paper. Hi guys, the device gives a paper jam error because the test output button is pressed here and there is no paper pickup. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them.
By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step. When I close and open the cover of our device, it tries to print again, thinking that we have cleared the jam. We found the defective part of our device. If the fault is not resolved by cleaning, this part will have to be replaced. We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. As you can see, the repair and maintenance of our printer was successful. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.